8 months ago, I started a project that completely changed my life. At the beginning of 2023, fresh off the pandemic and in the midst of a global recession, my wedding photography and videography business took a major hit. My clients went from having big weddings to having smaller, budget-friendly celebrations. Couples would book dates either postponed or cancel their weddings entirely. Budgets shrank about 30 to 40%. My business basically went from booking 20 to 25 weddings a year to only having 10 to 15 weddings in 2023. And a lot of my colleagues in the industry experienced the same. A lot of my friends in other industries experienced the same. Business just slowed down significantly. But why am I telling you this? Well, this year I took it upon myself to start diversifying my income. Etsy, affiliate marketing, website templates. But by far the best and most lucrative avenue I chose was YouTube. I started this channel in February 2023 and got monetized 3 months later in May. It only took 25 videos. And today we'll be taking a look at the one tool that massively contributed to me getting here and that helped me make over $5,000 last month through AdSense, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. So you probably heard about AI tools being capable of automating entire YouTube channels. You can generate a script from ChatGPT, copy and paste that script into a voice generator, take a few stock videos and music and put it all together. Well, what if there was a tool that could do all of that in one place? In Video AI, Copilot is capable of generating a 10 to 12 minute video exactly like the one you're watching now, specifically for YouTube based on a single prompt. No need to search for stock footage yourself, pay for video editing software, find an AI voice generator, pay music subscriptions, or have a script drafted by ChatGPT. But instead of telling you to just start a YouTube automation channel and make millions, which by the way, hundreds if not thousands of people are already jumping on that bandwagon, I'm gonna show you 5 steps through which you can leverage this tool to stand out from the crowd and how I've used it personally to skyrocket my growth here on YouTube and get monetized as fast as I could. So to start off, in Video AI requires no more than a single prompt to make a YouTube video for you. But to really cut through the bullshit, I'd like to crunch some numbers. Up until video number 12 on my channel, I was writing the scripts and doing all the editing myself. On average, I used to take on about 20 hours per video. That includes scripting, recording, and editing, with editing taking up the largest portion of my time. Now, next to running another business, I needed to simplify my workflow, and within video, I cut down the scripting and editing times by about 70%. And this was my entire workflow. By going to Video AI and selecting YouTube Explainer, you get to choose the length of your video, add a topic, select the style of background music, and the voiceover. After populating all fields, I generated this video about the 5 side hustles you can start in 2023.
Welcome to a new era, where traditional 9-to-5 jobs are just one side of the coin. A side hustle, for those who may be unacquainted with the term, is essentially a job or business that you undertake in addition to your primary source of income. It's a way of transforming your free time into productive, profitable hours.
Now that is impressive, but this is just the beginning. What most people would tell you at this point is, just export this video, make 5 others like it, and start posting on your YouTube channel to make thousands of dollars. But I'm gonna show you how you can do things differently and what I did to gain almost 500 subscribers from a single video by making just a few adjustments. Step 1. Now the 5 side hustles that were generated by the AI are some that I've already heard and seen others do hundreds of times before. And I'm a big fan of making your content as original as it can be, even when using AI tools. So I spent about 10 minutes doing some research on a couple of unique side hustles that I can use, and these were the ones that I could come up with. So I'm asking the Video AI here to generate a video based on my idea and to use minimalist and classy music along with a clear American male voice. And in a couple of minutes, Video will write the script, add the stock footage and the music, and generate the video for me.
There are 5 realistic side hustles that simply nobody is talking about, that can earn you as much as $4,000 per month. In the current economic landscape, the importance of having a side hustle cannot be overstated. And these 5 side hustles require no skills and almost no money, but they do require work and effort.
Step 2. Once your video is generated, we can start adding our human touch to it. If we go to edit, there are a lot of things we can modify or replace. And a big part of any YouTube video is the engagement. Is your story and script engaging enough and keeping your audience hooked? Because the AI is perfectly capable of giving you a good baseline script to start from. Think of it as a quick initial draft that you can work on to improve improve to make it more captivating. And you can do that by going to Edit Script. And without going into too much detail, your script really only needs two things: a strong hook in the first 30 seconds and clever packaging, which just means instead of revealing each idea from the start, you can build a story, and the climax of each story is the reveal of the side hustle you're talking about. And once you have your script ready, it's important not to skip the next step. An excellent way to make your videos more engaging is by adding B-roll, which is just supplemental footage that drives the story. And if you'd want to make YouTube videos completely on your own with no help from AI, you'd have to manually search for stock footage that goes along with the script. And in my personal experience, this is both the most time-consuming and costly process. For example, a subscription to Storyblocks, where you can download thousands of stock videos, can set you back about $30 per month. But within video, you have stock footage from not just Storyblocks, but iStock as well. And the really mind-blowing thing is the AI places that stock video exactly where it needs to be according to the script. But if you want to replace any clip, you can easily do so by searching through InVideo's database and simply replacing the original clip. And for example, you can give the AI certain prompts to edit specific parts of the video, such as deleting a specific scene, making a scene half as long, or just changing the stock clip. Step 4. Now all that's left to decide is who is going to narrate the video. And here you have two options. You can leave the AI generated voice, which is perfectly fine, or you can narrate the video yourself without showing your face. But the biggest thing you can do to click with your audience is recording a talking head segment of you reading out the script from a teleprompter. And whichever you end up choosing, you can add the video or audio recording of yourself into the InVideo editor hassle-free without needing a video editor program. Hit export and you've reached the final and arguably most crucial step, which is monetization. Now, many people believe you'd need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to get paid on YouTube, but I started making money way sooner than that from affiliate links. You can apply to various affiliate programs online hosted by companies you like or tools you actually use. In my case, I use a couple of design platforms and also music licensing sites like Epidemic Sound. Each affiliate program has their own commission and rates, but it's a great way to make those first few $100s to fund your channel. So the ultimate question: can you use InVideo AI to make money on YouTube? Absolutely. InVideo helped me speed up my content creation, helped me brainstorm ideas, and simplified my editing. But in the end, to be able to compete with everyone on the market, you still need that human element. InVideo AI is completely free to use for up to 10 minutes per week, but if you're serious about your project, you can upgrade to the Plus plan for $20 per month using my link in the description. Thank you InVideo AI for sponsoring this video. Let me know down in the comments below if you'd want me to do a deep dive into growing a YouTube channel. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.